I lost all my funded account with FundingPips, so I decided to go at max funded within 1 week. So I bought 300k account with FundingPips. So every single trade I'm gonna be screen recording and post it for you guys to see exactly how I do to pass challenge. By the way, I'll be copy trading the trade I'm taking from one of my account to the 2 other accounts. So if I pass one account, that means I pass all the 3 accounts. And the trade copy I'm gonna be using here is FX Blue, so you can just download and run on your laptop, so you don't have any issue like IP issue or So let's dive into it. Right, so this is pretty much for setup 1. I've risked 2% and that was a stop loss. Price literally went halfway to TP before rejecting, and really crazy, but I mean it happens. We move on, right? So right now all the 3 accounts are basically 2% in drawdown, because one trade I take is copied in every single other trade basically. So see you guys on the next setup. And by the way, if you want to trade with FundingPips, feel free to use my coupon code AstuceFX. You're gonna have 20% off on your first purchase. Bye bye.